Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Fred Smiley, Professor of Education here at Montana State University Northern. I want to welcome you to my Lucky 13 document that I've written for the OPI Hub. At Northern, I teach several classes including Foundations, Special Ed, Reading, Writing, Critical Thinking. In all the courses I emphasize writing. One especially is important. The critical assessment asks our candidates to go out into the schools with permission, find a teacher and share with that person what we're doing in theory and ask the teacher to show us what kind of practices are developed. Now the essays wind up being very good, but they have a whole bunch of errors as you might expect. And I've noticed over the past 6 or 7 years that there are particular kinds of errors, the 13 I'm about to talk to you about. Run-ons, fragments, transitions, punctuation, too long a sentences, too short a sentences. So I offer you this Lucky 13 document, and there are some specific things that are there that might help you. To begin, there's an introduction and a basis for the scholarship, and a pretest, which is a PowerPoint of 20 questions that will allow you to pick and choose and find out areas that you might want to learn later. In each module, the error is described, and there are some helps that are given. Those include a cartoon by Mark Anderson, who graciously lent his expertise in humor to our chapters. There are YouTubes, websites, practices, explanations, and at the end of every module there's a quiz, self-scoring, that you can work with until you gain competency. Now after the 13 are over, my conclusion happens to be partly an error log, and the error log is a special document that I've created that shows the students not only what errors they're making, but how to fix them so subsequently they can eradicate them. The post-test is, again, a PowerPoint done with the 13 errors in mind that reviews everything so you can continue to work on this. I hope the document here helps you and helps your students. We're all trying to make the students in Montana better students and more proficient citizens later. I wish you well. Bye-bye.